Welcome to Whispers. Now, wow, alarm don't they blow? I hear it too. I want no more. I just confirming the obvious. Anyways, government introduced us to AK47s, supply them to us, Fulani herdsmen. A Fulani herdsman has made Nigerian government officials. A Fulani herdsman has said Nigerian government officials supplied them with AK-47s they used to kill farmers and terrorize communities across the country. The herder made a statement in a viral video where he was speaking in Hausa to the cheering of the crowd. He said the herders did not deal with weapons until the government came into the scene and started introducing and supplying them with guns which they use in perpetrating criminality, especially in southern Nigeria. I swear to the Almighty Allah that it's the government that is giving arms to us. Fulani don't know what gun is. He said in Hausa to the applause of others, come on, what gun is, but only Emma Torai, keep deceiving yourselves. We are only herdsmen. Cows don't give birth to guns. You tell us. I swear to Allah, we are on our own. And the government supplies AK-47s to us. I am not afraid to say the truth. Ẹni tí wọ́n conquer tó gbà. Ẹni tí wọ́n conquer tó gbà. Òun náà fẹ́ tinú ẹ̀ ṣe ni. So excuse me, it takes two to tango. Come off it. The country has been facing security challenges ranging from killing, abductions, destruction of farmlands, and other criminal activities, some of which killer Fulani herders have been responsible for. This has caused a major crisis in the nation, especially between northerners and southerners, following which an Islamic cleric, Gunugu, began negotiating for bandits. Recently, President somebody, yes sir, ordered security agents to shoot any person. He is not the one, he's a spokesperson. He's not directly from him, he's a spokesperson, Shehu or something, that said that. Ordered security agents to shoot any person seen carrying AK-47. That's not a lie. That was because they noticed, they found out that everybody now is now taking to arms. So, but it was criticized by some southerners who saw it as a ploy to kill people who had vowed to defend themselves against killer herders and other terrorists in the coast. Yes, that was how they told everybody that they should come and submit, or they should lay down their registered hands so that they will be defenseless. Now that they find out that yes, people are going to defend themselves, an eye for an eye. Shehu is the spokesperson, now came out and said that it's not even from Buhari. It's Shehu that is saying nonsense. So excuse me. That one, they're just saying it for saying sake. It's not even. Do they want to tell me that herders are not shooting people? They want to tell me that herders are not shooting people, Abi? I beg you. We'll defend ourselves. We must. It's gonna be tit for tat. They said it's gonna be tit for tat. Okay. So this video clip should be expeditiously sent to the European Union, United Nations, International Criminal Court of Justice, ECOWAS Court of Justice, African Union for proper investigation, and to hold accountable all those connected and named in this video. Who doesn't know this except fools that they are supported and funded by the government? Have you ever seen any one of them arrested or persecuted? Besides, the so-called amnesty money distributed to criminals, what do they think the idiots will use the money to do? It is clear to everyone that we are in a country where terrorists themselves are the people in power, and they gave them guns to use on the citizens. And no one speaks on this information since he made this confessional speech. Yes, so that is one thing that I noticed. So, the word battle from the north to the ever since this guy made this viral video confession. The Northerners are not saying anything. They are not even counter. Do you know that kind of a way? They are not even saying anything. They are just avoiding it. They are just avoiding it. They are not even addressing what he said. Or maybe they thought we don't understand the language. There you go. I hate anyone that tries convincing people on one Nigeria, a country where the government sponsors the killing of its citizens and make much money from same source. A country that operates two different laws, northern and southern law. This makes me to remember one parable Igbo people says all the time. To give monkey cup of water is not a problem, but to collect the cup back is a big problem. Oh yeah, government, come collect your AK47, let's see. Bauchi governor has told us earlier, they are also responsible for Boko Haram insurgents and kidnapping. These guys are completely responsible for the wars and irreparable damage going on in Nigeria today. Just watch the way they will miserably die. What a nation. Isn't it hilarious that the common citizens find themselves on social media while our politicians dine among themselves irrespective of their tribe? If we want this country to break today, create chaos among the leaders and let's see back and watch. But the politicians are smart to pin those greedy fellows down with ill-gotten wealth, and they can't reason normally again. But let's relax. God is fighting the fight for us. We just need to be steadfast in prayers. Mark this word before this end runs out off. The result will speak, and all our mouths can say, God did it. That is what the government are negotiating. That is why the government are negotiating with these terrorist bandits. Government are negotiating with these terrorist bandits in order to compensate them for killing innocent Nigerians. God will judge all those politicians behind this menace. We all know government has a hand in it. The source of the senseless killing is the useless government we have in place. I hope the United Nations can see this. Unfortunately, our elite in Southern will see this and cry face at sea, as they always do. As they always do. Who knows if they've bewitched themselves? When are they going to have some? When are they going to have some sense in all this? Unfortunately, it's taking Garba Shehu forever to address the accusation from these bandits. But it took him less than 24 hours to address and defend Fulani herdsmen. When Igbo was chasing them out of Yoruba bushes. I'm not surprised to hear this, but we'll watch their end. One day, the youth of this country will rise up, revolt. These evildoers will beg for their life to be spared. It won't take long. So there you have it, guys. From the horse's mouth. So it has been confirmed. It's from the government. And all the northern governors, unlike them, they all kept quiet. Like President Jonathan said, keep quiet. They are keeping quiet. Them keeping quiet. Their silence on this one says a lot. It says a lot. So, that is it. That is one Nigeria for you. Somebody said, since then, no arrest has been made. One investigation going on. What happened and who are the government? Then people still believe in one Nigeria and that Nigeria will work someday. You all need magic to make this gathering work as a con. Now it's gone. It's gone. It's falling apart. Things are falling apart. The center is given way. I mean, it's collapsed. So it's just a matter of time for everything to go poof up in smoke. So there you have it, guys. Confirm ni o. Ọlọ́run ṣe èdè wọn náà ní ìkọ́nu wọn náà tó bá jẹ́ Yorùbá ní sọ pé nígbà tí ń bí Yorùbá wà it's not a matter of Yorùbá wà so oh my word there you have it guys so until I come your way again bye.